giant black dot on the back. Today I bring you several home remedies to remove the giant blackheads from the back, and after that, I share a video I saw the other day how they draw blackheads from the back. The truth is that it gives a little disgust. Let's go with home remedies. Blackheads, or nails, are a type of acne that is characterized by the presence of small black lumps embedded in the skin. There are several home remedies that we can use to get blackheads out. 1. Exfoliation and microdermabrasion. Once a week deep cleansing of the pores is necessary. An easy scrub is to mix baking soda with lemon juice until a fine paste is obtained. This exfoliant can also be made with sugar. However, to make exfoliants for the face it is better to use a milder ingredient such as baking soda. The skin is moistened and the exfoliator is applied with light and circular movements for 4 minutes. Concentrate on blackheads, but remember to use a light touch. If you rub very hard it could damage your skin. 2. Clear egg and Kleenex to extract black spots. This is an exfoliating mask specifically designed to remove blackheads. The most effective way to remove blackheads is by getting a professional treatment at a beauty salon. Both commercial remedies and home remedies cannot completely remove blackheads. The only way to completely remove blackheads is to extract them with your fingers. But this is not recommended, as if it is not done correctly it can damage the skin. 3. Lemon is a natural exfoliant. However, we can do a home treatment that, although not all of them, can remove the ones that are closer to the surface and is also an excellent exfoliant. The recipe consists of anointing egg white on the face, especially in areas where it has more black spots. As I said before, I share the video of extracting blackheads in the back. I leave it in the description of this video. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.